new customer, oil change, has an exhaust noise, he said. So here's his exhaust noise. Usually I can weld that back. In this case, can't weld it back. There's not much metal there, plus it's pretty rusted out. This thing is a 2010 Subaru Forester 2.5. So got him a price on muffler from Napa, $255 for the muffler. Probably like an hour labor. So he wasn't impressed by that, but the AutoZone price was $346. Also made him aware there's a dual muffler here, so make sure this muffler's probably not very far behind the driver's side he's replacing. So told him, unfortunately, I don't like using the term unfortunately or the word unfortunately to talking to customers, but new customer trying to take care of them just like always, just like any other customer.